This is a two-block mall area. It's not just the tall ships. Now the entrance is Fulton Street and Water Street. At Fulton and Water, there's a little green lighthouse people will just walk by. It's the New York City Titanic Memorial. Look for the plaque. There's over 100 restaurants, galleries, and shops to explore here. My favorite building in all New York is above Pier 17 in the distance. Woolworths, the Cathedral of Commerce. It's the beige tower on your left with a point on each corner, a pointed green top. In the Disney movie Enchanted, the fight scene with the dragons on board. Tallest in 1913, paid for in cash. No mortgage. Cash. Frank Woolworth is the only person to do that. Paid for the world's tallest building in cash. A little taller, now the tallest apartment tower in the Western Hemisphere, Frank Gehry's New York, with the wavy design. Do you know what you call the top sail on one of those tall ships at the seaport? The same word as tall buildings, it's nautical slang. They're skyscrapers. Line sold ships to docks. A German immigrant wondered if he could grab steel like a ship's line when you could build. John Roeblig's masterpiece is the Brooklyn Bridge. It's so famous because it's more than twice as long as any bridge built before. The steel cable made the bridge possible. The steel cable makes the elevator possible. Elevators make skyscrapers possible. It's the bridge that changed the world, the Brooklyn Bridge. Now follow your eye down the bridge ramp on the right. Behind those warehouses, at the bottom of the slope, is the original Brooklyn shoreline. Back there, Robert Fulton launched the Claremont. With steam engines, shipping grew, industry grew, and they shrunk. This river is only half as wide today. Industrial land on both sides. Carousel today, and Robert Fulton